In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for dealer websites and get started building your initial website. When you're on the home page here, you're going to want to hit try for free. Then you just fill in your primary contact information. Whatever email you put in here is going to be the email you use to log into your website builder. Put in your company information here and that'll auto-populate on your website. Once you're done with all that, just click Start Free Trial. I already went and put my information in here. This is what the email you'll get will look like. You can see the email I used to sign up was dealerwebdemo@gmail.com, and I have a temporary password here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. And I can just click Admin Login. And this is going to be the page I'm going to use to log into my website builder. Probably a good idea to bookmark that page to save for later. Another way to get to that login page is on our dealer website's homepage, just clicking login. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in here. Just paste in my temporary password. This is going to bring me into the account dashboard. Now, the first time you sign in here, you're going to have a few questions to answer. I'm just going to hit yes to all these questions just for the purpose of this demo. And now I'm into the main account dashboard. Now I can create my new site. Before I do that, I'm going to go over here into settings and password. And I'm going to create my own unique password to use when I'm logging in. And just save changes. Now I have my own password whenever I log in. So now we can create our first site. We have all these templates you can choose from as a starting point. Some of them are broken down into different categories, depending on if you're a dealer, auto repair shop, car wash. We're always adding new templates. It's not extremely important which one you choose, because you can always change it to look however you want. But it is good to have a starting point. So if I click View Theme, that's going to give me a preview sample website of what this theme would look like. I like that one, so I'm just going to click Select Theme. Here we're going to create a temporary domain for our website. Once you have your own domain, or maybe you already have one, you're going to port your website over to that, but for now, we're just going to create our own to host on dealerwebsite.com. Just make sure whatever you choose is all lowercase and no symbols or characters. We're just going to hit Create New Site. Now we're into the main page builder. This is the page you're going to come into every time you log in. So we can just click Edit Site. That's going to bring us into the page builder. And this is where we can edit our website. That's all for this tutorial.